Hi everyone, welcome back. So something different from pizza today. We're going to make some of these spicy burgers. So we've got a kilogram of ground beef here, and to that we're going to add the paprika, and we're going to add some garlic powder, and then we're going to add some cayenne pepper and some English mustard. Really build the heat up now. Then we're going to add in some ground onion, put that in. That really does help with the flavours of the burger. And then next up is we're going to put in some Henderson's Relish. This is the pride of Sheffield, the city where I live in the UK. It's like Worcestershire sauce. If you haven't got Henderson's Relish, you can use Worcestershire sauce, but it's a bit of a sinful word in Sheffield, is that. Salt in next, plenty of salt, and plenty of pepper. Again, we're trying to build up those flavours, build up that heat for these burgers. So there we go. As you can see, plenty of pepper. Next up, we're going to put some Panko breadcrumbs in. Again, this just makes sure, helps with binding, and also makes sure that we don't have dry burgers. Then we're going to give it a really good mix. So just to let you know, whilst we're mixing that up, there will be some pizza videos coming up. So if you stay to the end of this video, you'll see what I'll be cooking up next. And believe me, it really is something that I've not seen tried in a Roccbox or any outdoor pizza oven yet. So we're just about there now with this mixing the burgers up. So just giving it a bit of a press down, making sure that everything's nicely mixed in. And then what we're going to do, we're going to leave this for a few hours. So there you go, just checking that it's all mixed in. Looks all evenly coloured. I'm going to put some cling film or shrink wrap over the top, just to make sure that we don't dry out and we keep all that moisture in the burgers, and to lock in those flavours. So into the fridge, and we'll leave that overnight. So in it goes. Close the door. Done. So the following morning, we're all ready to make some burger balls. So we're going to do some smash burgers with these. So we're going to roll out the burgers, just weigh them out, and then we're going to roll them into like golf ball type shapes. So that's the first one done. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, and eighth one. So let's go outside. So get that pan really smoking hot. Listen to that sizzle. So what we need next is we need to smash those burgers down. So get some grease-proof paper and get your burger slice and push down as hard as you can. It's really important to use the grease-proof paper. If you don't, you'll find that the burger spatula will stick directly to the meat, and you'll have a hell of a time trying to get it off. So once we've smashed them down, we then need to just put his gloves on, and then I'll also need to use a towel because this pan is absolutely boiling hot. So just going to make sure that they're not sticking to the pan, just loosening them off just ever so slightly. There we go. And then we're going to put them into the pizza oven. You can use a conventional oven on the grill, or you can just use the hob for these. But with it being a pizza oven, it's a lot faster. So this is literally a minute later. They're very heavy, them pans. So we'll flip the burgers over. Look at that caramelisation. Look at that colour. There you go. Flip the second one, you get a better look as well. So colours are really coming on. That flavour, the flavours will be fantastic on these. Quick press down, and then we'll go in with some cheese as well on the top. So this is some leftover mozzarella I'm using today, with a little bit of cheddar grated in. So pop that on the top, and then this will literally just take another minute. So after a minute, out they come, and then we'll put these on a plate. So again, we're going to get the burger spatula out, lift those out, put them on a plate. There we go. So back inside them. So I've got some sesame seed buns, toasted them previously so they're crispy but cool. We'll put both burgers on this. Burger is for my son, he just likes a pickle, doesn't want any other salad items on. So I'm going to slice that up, pickle up, add that onto the top, and away we go now. Don't forget, if you like what you see, give us a subscribe, leave some comments, give the video a like, tell me what you think to these spicy burgers. They do pack some heat, these ones. Put a bit of tomato sauce on the top. Now just before we close this one up, don't forget to hang around, because I've got to show you what we're coming up on the next video. So that's a finished product. Looks fantastic, really does, and it tasted fantastic, really nice, lots of flavours. So here we go. What about this then? Chicago style mini pizza cooked in the pizza oven. Wow. And that's coming up next. So thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.